Somehow it is getting delayed one way or other, that's the reason. Yeah. Now we are going online. Good evening. Very good. So this is your second interview with me, na? Second or third interview? Second interview. Third interview. Third interview. Good. You can you tell about yourself briefly in Kannada? Can you talk in Kannada comfortably? Yeah. Please talk in Kannada. No, no. Which one are you more comfortable, English or Kannada? Why? English. English only means introduce yourself in English. Hmm. Hmm. Which year did you complete? 2000? Very good. 2019. Okay, continue. Mm, 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 mm. Good. What is your brother-in-law doing? Very good. Excellent. Good. Now, why do you want to join Karnataka Bank? And that too as a clerk. Please tell me why Karnataka Bank clerk? One, there can be two options. One, why are you not going for civil engineering jobs? Number two, why are you not going for other higher posts like, say, officers and civil services like that? Can explain why it is so? Mm, 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 I will try for further promotions in Karnataka Bank. Karnataka Bank only. Very good. Excellent. Good. You told nicely, but one question you have not answered is that, well, supposing you are joining as a clerk, but many other your own colleagues may be joining as co-students, may be joining big, say, organizations as officers and executives and all. So how will you react under such circumstances? Can you tell us how to remain happy? Mm, mm, mm. Excellent. That is, you stress on living in the present rather than worrying about the past or worrying about the future. Yeah. Why should we not worry about the future? Mm, 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 mm. Yeah. Is it okay? I have your voice on YouTube now because there is one more candidate who took interview from me and now he is working in Bank of India as a loan officer. Now he will listen to you and probably he may raise some questions more relevant and current one. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Good. Now that your voice will be heard, um, I am requesting Abhishek Kumar Gupta to raise some questions to you also. Now, let me put my next question to you. Now, just now, I was talking to another candidate about Karnataka Bank interview when we were talking about toll gates. What do you understand by toll gates?
Toll gates are the one which is used to collect mm, taxes for the usage of the road by the vehicles.
Mm.
Because it is mainly usually done as a public-private partnership with the government. Because
Good.
the government would have given a government would have given a project to the private sector,
Mm.
and they would have leased for some years to use it, and they would give it back to them
Very good.
until
No,
the
no, it's okay.
period.
Listen. Purnima, you must try to present it briefly. What you said is right. That much is sufficient.
Okay.
Now the question is, what is the technology used in this?
Recently, FASTag has been installed, sir, to do this.
What is the technology used in FASTag?
It's like previously
It
we
is,
had to.
it is known as RFID. What is RFID?
Yes, RFID is
Radio frequency identification.
yes, sir. It scans the barcode of the thing, and it is automatically paid.
Yeah, radio frequency identification. This FASTag, this scheme is done in connection with the National Highway Authority of India.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
in fact, we have with us one Abhishek Gupta, as I told you, is a loan processing officer in Bank of India. Now, let me ask you a question relating to loans in banks. Can you tell me the different types of loans or different purposes for which loans are granted by banks, or more especially our Karnataka Bank? What are
Yes,
the
sir.
different loans?
Different loans house loan is given, car loan is given, and even personal loans are given,
Mm,
and educational loans are given.
mm,
And nowadays, it's been like the loan giving process is too much, and they are bringing up some express loan, car loan, express house loans to reduce the time that is going to be taken for the processing, sir.
Very good. Are you aware of, say, loan being sanctioned digitally?
Digitally, no, sir.
Now, please
I
go
don't
through
aware.
our Karnataka Bank website and get to know more details about that.
Okay, sir.
That will be good. Now, tell us why we should select you as a clerk in Karnataka Bank. I want you to talk only in Kannada for this question. Please tell us why should I select you as a clerk in Kannada? Because you are going to talk in Kannada only to my customers.
Oh, yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, one minute. Before that, that candidate is telling the main important loan that can be told is about retail loans. Then for a personal use, that you told. MSME you did not tell. Agriculture you did not tell, and also corporate loans, big loans.
Okay. MSME and agriculture, those things will come under priority sector lending, sir.
Very good. Correct. Good. Now tell me, why should I select you as a clerk in our bank? Kannada.
Okay, sir. ನನ್ನ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಗೆ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನಾನು ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮತ್ತು ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆಯಿಂದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಂಗೆ ಏನೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಕೊಟ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿಸೋ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಬೇಕಾದ ಜ್ಞಾನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಂಥ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡೆಡಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನನ್ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Very good. Can you tell me who is the MD and CEO of our Karnataka Bank?
Yes, sir. MD and CEO is Mr. M.S. Mahabaleshwaran, sir.
Good. Where is the headquarters of Karnataka Bank?
It is in Mangalore, sir.
How many branches are there?
Branches 8,533.
No, 890 or so. No? Why you are telling in thousands? It is in hundreds only. 897 branches or some such thing only. Please check it up.
Yes, sir. In Karnataka, it is 556, sir.
Yeah, that is good. What are the other states in which southern states in which Karnataka Bank has got presence?
In Maharashtra, in Andhra Pradesh, and even in Kerala.
Yeah, even in Kerala. Now the question is, see, you are trying
Yes,
for
sir.
Karnataka Bank, but will you not be trying for IBPS clerk or SBI assistant post? Why do you want to join Karnataka instead of IBPS and all? Will you be trying for that after joining our bank?
After joining, I'll not try, sir. After joining, I'll try to continue and build my career here itself. Till now, I'm trying for it. I couldn't get it, but here I'm doing my best to get into this one, sir. Even though it is a public sector bank, even though it is a private sector bank, the benefits whatever giving are almost same. So I don't think so. But in private sector bank, you can grow to higher level like much faster than the public sector bank, because opportunities are given and whatever the technologies they're getting into are done by first private banks only. The new technology, those things. So I feel so here itself.
Now, can you please tell me what is the main job role of a clerical staff in a bank?
Yes, sir. As a clerical staff, they should be like very good at numbers. First, they should have a good communication skill, because they have to speak with the customers and they have to say about the products and sell their products. Cross selling has to be done, and they should work as a single window operator, and they should also do cash transaction. They should accept the cash and they should give cash if they are presenting a check or a withdrawal. Then other services like passbook printing, those things has to be done by them, sir.
Good. Now, can you tell what do you understand by cross-selling?
Cross-selling is if the customer comes to us and ask about for a opening of an account or any other purpose, we try to sell our products like insurance or mutual funds, or if they want any loan, we are trying to sell our products in order to get benefit to the bank. So that would be the cross-selling, sir.
Very good. What are the sources of income for the bank?
Mainly it's through the interest what they are going to charge for the lending of the money. That would be the fund base, and also they do invest in the government securities and we do get interest for it. And other things is through the service charges and through the commissions which we get from the investment or something like that. Mutual funds.
Don't use something, and that word something, etc. should not be used in interview situations. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Karnataka Bank, nearest Karnataka Bank, where is it for you?
In Bull Temple Road, sir, Basangudi.
Oh, good. So can you tell me what do you understand by mutual funds? What are the functions of mutual funds? And who is regulating mutual funds?
Yes, sir. If a person wants to invest their money, in mutual funds, people will collect money from the people and they do invest in the different companies. And whatever the profit they are going to get from them is going to be distributed for the customer based on it. And this is regulated by Stock Exchange Board of India, SEBI.
This is regulated by Stock Exchange Board. Is it correct?
Sir.
What is the organization name? SEBI is correct. Expansion is wrong. Hello.
Sir.
SEBI is correct. Expansion you gave was wrong.
Securities Exchange Board.
But you told Stock Exchange Board of India initially. Initially, when you said like this. Securities Exchange Board of India. Good. Who is the chairperson of this now?
Currently, Mrs. Madhavi Puri Butch is the chairman of the SEBI, sir.
Very good. Can you name 2 or 3 more regulatory authorities functioning in India?
Yes, sir. Other regulatory boards are PFID, Pension Fund Regulatory Authority of India.
Okay.
To take care about the pensions.
No. When a question is asked like this, you don't have to explain about that particular authority.
Okay,
just mention the name of the authority. If they are interested, they will ask you to explain about that particular authority.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Now you told correctly about PFRDAI, then.
Yes, sir. Then IRDAI, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India.
Very good. Then. Good. Very important thing you are omitting. That which is very close to banks.
Sir, NABARD comes under this.
NABARD is okay. NABARD is a regulatory authority for RRBs and cooperative banks. Correct. Then. Why are you omitting? Why are you omitting RBI? Correct. Good. Who is the governor of RBI?
Currently, Mr. Shaktikant Das is the governor of RBI, sir.
What is the news you have heard about RBI recently?
Recently, the monetary policy rates have been, monetary policy committee has come up with the monetary rates. So that I have heard about it, sir. And also, like RBI is thinking about the taxes that they are going to charge for the UPI based services.
It is not taxes, charges.
Charges they're thinking about to.
They are thinking about levying charges on UPI transactions. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
But it is not introduced yet.
No, not introduced yet, but they're thinking about it, sir. To
Yeah.
bring up, they're seeking public opinion for it.
Very good, very good. Now, all those rates correctly?
Yes, sir. Current repo rate is 5.4%,
Mm.
and MSF and bank rate is 5.65.
Good.
Then CRR is 4.
Very good. Normally, when we talk about percentage, it is good to use 2 digits, 4.50.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what is the reverse repo rate?
3.35%, sir.
Correct. What is the standing deposit facility rate?
5.15%, sir.
Very good. Good. Can you tell me a few points about what is the news you are reading about inflation in India?
Inflation.
Yeah. It's a very open question. Whatever you want, you can say.
Yes, sir. Because of Russia-Ukraine war, impact of Russia-Ukraine war, and also the COVID-19 impact, the inflation is being rising up. As we can see, current inflation is around 6%. Then there is also thinking about that they might go to recession also.
Not 6%, 6.71 or something like that. July it has come down. Anyhow, read that one correctly.
Yes, sir.
Now, is inflation good or bad for us?
Actually, it is a bad, sir, because the prices are going up and the value of money gets decreased. So it is not good for economy, sir.
Very good. Too much increase is not good. But what is the policy of Reserve Bank? How much percentage inflation they are willing to allow?
They are allowing up this, I don't know, sir.
The 2% plus or minus 4. They want it to be 2% or maximum 6%.
Okay.
This is given under RBI monetary policy.
Okay.
Very good. So, who is the important people living in Bengaluru? Famous persons living in Bengaluru.
Famous persons are Sudhamurthy.
Okay.
Then
you should start with the chief minister's name, governor's name. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then you should, tell. Then Macha, Karnataka Bank, where do they have a big office in Bengaluru? Some zonal office, something
main
like
branch office, sir.
Pardon?
Main branch office, sir.
Yeah, no, not main branch office. Some zonal office like thing where it is an administrative office. It must be there in Bengaluru. Please check it out. In their website, you will know. Doesn't matter. Then you can tell about famous persons like say Asim Premji, then other persons related to business mainly.
Okay.
Who is your favorite heroine?
I don't have any favorite heroine.
But this answer will put you into further embarrassment. Instead, you can as well come out with a better one person's name and get to know some details about that person.
Okay.
Yeah. See, supposing you go to a guest house and they want to know, oh, you would like to say tea or coffee or drink cool drinks. Anyone, at least you take half a cup at least and come out of the house instead of telling, I don't drink anything outside my house. If you want to tell like that, it will further involve in so many discussions. I hope you
Okay, sir.
understand.
Yes, sir, I understood.
How to stand on your own feet. Do you understand
Because
my question? Do you understand my question?
yes, sir.
Do you
Yes,
understand
sir.
my
Yes, sir.
question?
I understood.
Uh,
Yes, sir. I understood why I want to be independent and stand on my feet.
uh,
Because it, my father has given a privilege to do my education,
mm,
and as because even if I stand on my own legs, I would be a support to someone who is in need of it,
mm,
and I would be a person who can like take care of my parents. Either it is taking care of my parents, I could do on my own. Uh, then I do have a at that time I do have a social status, and I do get a respect for the things what I'm being done.
mm,
Uh, then I feel I'm independent. At that time, if I'm financially stable,
mm.
so I wish for this thing.
Anyhow, this has been recorded. It will come on YouTube. You just listen to that. How you can improve upon it. You just try to find out some other sources, ideas. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Very good. Do you have any questions to ask? You did well. You did better than last time. And this time the
Oh,
confidence level was good. So please be reading newspapers. Please be. Are you appearing for IDBI interview also?
no, sir, no, sir.
Why have you not applied?
No, sir, I did not apply for it.
It's okay. No, no. My suggestion for youngsters is that to one extent possible, in case you can afford to spend money up to 1,000 rupees or so, please feel free to apply for all the exams that are coming. Prepare, that will keep you busy, engaged. Then write, that
Yes,
will
sir.
keep your brain active and vibrant.
Yes, sir.
So this is what it is. You did well today. Do you have questions?
No, sir, I don't have any questions. Like, how can I improve much more? That's all.
Much more means you have to read, say, mm, of more about banking and be able to present it briefly. You are talking
Oh,
nicely, but you are talking at length.
okay.
It should be brief. In fact, this candidate is also told you are confident, you have good communication skills, you seem to be having good knowledge, and the candidate is wishing you good luck. So I also
Thank
wish
you,
you
sir.
good luck, best wishes. But of course, we don't know when the interview. I think it will be somewhere in September only because they will give
Okay,
10
sir.
days notice for us to prepare. So we will
Yes, sir.
see. You can take once again if you want. You can talk to me before going for the interview. Otherwise, you be
Yes, sir.
following me in our class only. Whenever I ask questions, you try to answer. That will do.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Best
sir.
wishes. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye
Thank you.
bye. Bye.
Uh,
Bye. Yeah. And such of those candidates who want to take guidance for mock interview for Karnataka Bank, say you have to pay rupees 301 rupee to GPAY 900303755 and send screenshot to WhatsApp. You have to send by WhatsApp to 80721777482. Then you have to fill one form also. You have to fill one form also. You have to fill in. Let me give you that form. This is the form you have to fill in, and you have to fill this form. This form has to be filled in by you, and then you have to send that screenshot to my WhatsApp number. You will get a link of materials from me for preparation. Not only that, you can attend classes right from today at 8:45 p.m. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, 2 days holidays because there are some functions in my home. And then from Monday, you can attend the classes. Mostly the classes will go on till August 31st. And if necessary, they may be conducted even after that also. So this is what it is. And those people who need suggestions for communication in English, spoken English, you can join separately by paying rupees 300 to GPAY, same number 90030 375557. Other procedures are all same, except that you will have to fill another form. You have to fill another form. The form is required to know your email ID and also to send the materials to you periodically. That is the reason. The reason why I am asking for these forms is this one. Just a minute. The classes are conducted from 8 to 8:35 p.m. every day. Today also it will be there. Thank you. Bye.